know they can't. They wanna make me look clean. Oldness, taking on the fullness. I probably shouldn't be so mean. I'm headed straight for the castle.
Hi pumpkins! Welcome back to another Trendy Talloween video. My name is Talia, for those of you who may be new here, bringing you all things fall and Halloween related for the month of October. So today's Halloween tutorial is going to be my final one for this series this month, and I thought I would keep it creepy and crawly with this fun spider look. I'm actually kind of scared of spiders, so it's funny that I'm doing this look. But all season long I have been doing movie, TV, and celebrity inspired looks. And I really wanted to keep it classic and true to Halloween for my final look this season. I really hope you all enjoyed this fun, spooky spider look. And if you are new here today and would like to see more trendy videos from me, then don't forget to click that subscribe button. Now let's get into the Halloween tutorial.
Everybody's waiting for the next surprise. Skeleton Jack might catch you in the back and scream like a bitch, make you jump out of your skin. This is Halloween, everybody scream. Please make way for a very special time. Our man Jack is king of the pumpkin patch. Everyone hail to the pumpkin king. Now this is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. That's our job,
but we're not mean.
In our town of Halloween.
In this town we call home. Everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
to the pumpkin song. In this town, don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the next surprise. Skeleton Jack might
pumpkin song.
To the pumpkin song. In this town, don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the